Hi mga lovies! This is Sol, your certified unboxing and foodie girly. And for tonight, we are going to unbox not just one parcel, but... Oops, nalaglag. Yes, ang dami nito. Wait, hindi na ako makita. So we're going to unbox 6 parcels. And these are the things that I have checked out during the 4-4. And one of these parcels will be my OOTD this coming April 6 for the day 1 of Aurora Fest. Ano pang hinihintay natin, di ba? Excited na din ako mag-unbox. So let's start in 3, 2, 1, and... So let's start with the smallest parcel. Ayan. So, this is a phone case with strap. And kailangan ko nito ngayon. It's a must-have for me, especially I will be attending a concert. So, instead of lagi kong kinukuha yung phone ko, why not just strap it, diba? And then, kapag mag-video ako, ganyan na lang. So this is our first parcel. Second one, this is also a phone case. Tada! This one is a clear case. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga clear cases kasi simple lang siya. And it matches my personality. So, diba? Ang ganda ng pagkaka-clear niya, guys. Hopefully, hindi siya madaling mangilaw. Dahil yung problem, di ba? Most common problem ng mga clear cases, naninilaw siya. This one is from Forever 21 flagship store. Oh, God! Look at that! It's a leather bag. Ayan. Tanggalin na na. Ayan, from Forever 21. Choo! Ang cute! So pretty. Ayan siya. Tanggalin natin yung mga crumpled paper niya. And look at that. Mukhang madami siyang makakarga. And this is my OOTD this coming Saturday kasi ang init ng panahon ngayon dito sa Pinas, di ba? So, from Forever 21 to, ayan, tube siya. Next. Oops. So, I've ordered a maong skirt. Tada! Diba? Ang cute lang nung slit. Mukhang mataas lang, but carry boom. So, this is the 3rd parcel. Hindi, 4th na pala. And this is the 5th parcel. In-order ko lang to dito sa TikTok. Yeah! Napakamura lang nito, guys, kasi naka-sale siya noon. So, meron na akong 10 packs ng facial tissues. Ayan, umorder ako ng facial tissue kasi nagkaroon ako ng pimple breakouts. And para hindi na ma-irritate palalo yung aking face, napaka-importante na gumamit tayo ng facial tissue instead of wiping our face or rubbing our face with towel. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga particles na nandoon. So, at least itong tissue, isang gamitan lang and then pwede mo na siyang itapon, di ba? And iwas irritation na din. So, yan. Tingnan natin kung gaano kakapal to. Paano babuksan to? So, kuha tayo ng isa. So, ganito siya, guys. 10 pieces ata. Ito, 10 pieces ba? Yeah, 10 pieces. 5 packs for the left side and another 5 packs for the right. And 300 pieces na rin siya. There. Makapal naman siya. Makapal naman siya, guys. Hindi lang siya ganong kalakihan. Pero makapal siya. Ayan. Para makita niyo. Try natin. Diba? Nawala yung pagka-oily na mukha ko. And mura lang talaga siya. So, meron na kayong 300 pieces na ganito times 10 packs. Diba? Nasa 100 plus lang to. So, that's our 5th parcel. And finally, we are down to our last parcel. So, this is from Celine. Ayan. O, diba? Meron pa siyang receipt. So, here it is. Nahin na natin itong naka-plastic muna siguro. So, this is on sale sa kanilang shop. Ayan. Meron pa siyang Ziploc na plastic. And here it is. So pretty! So, this is useful, no, kapag may mga lakad kayo and you don't want to wear shoes. And kung magbe-beach outing kayo, magbe-beach trip kayo, or kung saan man kayo pupunta this vacation, this is really a must-have. So, itry natin mamaya. Let's see how comfortable these shoes are. So, that is one. And, yan, meron pa siyang kasamang button. And here's the second one. One thing I like Celine shoes is that they're comfortable. So, ayan. Ang chinek out ko is the California Mules. So, this is California Mule. And I think they're comfy. So, I'll be wearing this on Saturday. So, let's try, guys. So, this is the fit of the skirt. Ayan, di ba? Napaka-sexy. High-waisted siya. And hindi siya ganun ka-stretchy. Alright? And let's try wearing these sandals. So, yung color nung slippers or yung sandal is chocolate brown. Tada! Wait lang. So, there. And this is the California Mule from Celine as well. Fit niya lang sa paa. Unlike the other wedge na shoes na masakit. So, ayan. Diba? Ang pretty nung ating mule. Pwede ka ring mag-medyas if you wanted to. So, there you have it. So, that's it for our unboxing video for today. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa pagsama sa akin sa pag-unbox. And if you want to have more of this content, may assignment ako para sa inyo. And that is to follow me, subscribe if you are watching this on YouTube, and even comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong i-unbox natin. So, this is Sol, your unboxing girly, and hope to see you soon. Bye!